Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can easily draw your support and resistance right now in this video. You guys should just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end so that you can know how you can draw your support zone and your resistance zone in this video. Try to like, comment and share this video, and try to join all my social media and do Facebook, Instagram, all right, and TikTok. All right, so all the link is down below this video, and my recommended broker is down below this video guys. So let's just dive into the video right away. So right now, this particular chart is GBPJPY. So if you want to draw your support and resistance level for a daily trade, so all what you need to do is to just make sure we have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm gonna come to your daily time frame to know your support and resistance zone. All right, so how can you identify the valid support and resistance zone in this particular video? So just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end, and try to like and share. So if you want to draw your support, this particular chart is trying to range from this. You can see this is one of the top sub resistance, and this is the so. But let me just break it down for you guys to understand the valid one. So here for just because so let me just come to this area. So if you want to know your valid support, you're gonna come to this particular tools, rectangle tools. I'm gonna try to we have to draw your support zone from this particular zone. All right, this is one of the valid support zone here. All right, so we're gonna see this particular, we have one touch here. This one has not touched it, but all right, but we can still, all right, you can see. So we have one confirmation here, and we are expecting another confirmation to touch here around this zone. You can see this is 1 2, this is the valid one, and we are trying to expect the market to come to this particular zone again before it start going up. You can see right now in this particular daily chart how can you find your how can you find your uh your resistance on this particular zone. So we have to just come to your rectangle again, then you're gonna try to plug in this area. Right, let me just try to drag it. So this is a recent support, recent resistance level. All right, the recent one. So this is another one on top here, but the one we are trying to look for is this particular one, the recent one here around this area. You can see, let me just try to lock in so that, and let me just try to log this one as well, lock it. So you can see this is a valid we have one support around this area. Come down here, can you see we have valid one? So yeah, so you can see this is the recent support and resistance zone. So how then, after you have already confirmed it from this particular zone, you're gonna come to 4 hours to check again. You can see this is 4 hours charts. This is 4 hours. You can see the price needs to just you can see this is a valid one. This is a touch is in see. So we are expecting the market to just come down to this particular area again before going up. You can see the market is trying to come down to this zone. So we are expecting the market, and this is another short support zone. But this one is not one, but the value one here is this one. We have one here, and this is another one here. You can see this is another valid one. This is another one, but this one didn't touch. So we are expecting the market to just come down here before we start to analyze. And if you want to try to enter your trade, you can allow the market to come down here before you take a buy. So that is and just go to your 1 hour again. Let me just go to 1 hour. All right, this is 1 hour chart. All right, and you see It's the same thing we are just seeing. It's the same level we are just seeing. You can see. So I'm expecting the market to just come down to this zone, very zone, to touch it again before I go for buy. So if you want to even trick the trade right now, you can just try to take a sol from this particular zone to come down to this particular area. You can see this is a valid uh chart. Then you can start using this strategy to catch up your trade and start making a lot of money. So you can see this is the valid technical analysis that can help you to make a lot of money in forex trading. So if you enjoyed this video so far, guys, just be a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So this is how you can draw your support and resistance zone to make reasonable profit every blessed day, guys. So guys, so thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe and like and share this video. Bye for now, guys.